You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. This is the name of an extinct species of gigantic shark. How do you say it? Megalodon. You do want to stress on the first syllable, on the me syllable, megalodon. It means big tooth or gigantic teeth, really. That's what the name means. Megalodon. Megalodon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.